Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to learn the present perfect continuous tense. As always, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Let's start the video. The present perfect continuous tense. This tense is used for actions that started in the past and continue until now. It has been raining since morning. In this example, it started raining last morning and is still going on. Has been or have been is placed before the present participle to form this tense. In this tense, since or for is used after the present participle. Ince is used for a precise moment in time, which means from a point in the past until now, like 9 o'clock, Monday, 2008, morning, etc. For is used a period of duration of time, which means from the beginning of the period to the end of period, like 5 minutes, 2 weeks, 6 years. Let's take a look at the construction of the present perfect continuous tense. Subject plus helping verb plus present participle plus since or for plus object. If the subject is he, she, it, or any singular noun, then the auxiliary verb has been is used. If the subject is I, we, they, you, or any plural noun, then the auxiliary verb have been is used. The first form of verb plus ing is called the present participle. Since is used for points of time that start from the past and go until now. For is used for a period of time or amount of time. Let us now see some examples of this tense. He has been treating his wife like a princess since his marriage. He has been reading a newspaper for 2 hours. It has been raining outside since 5 o'clock. Peter has not been eating any fruits for 2 weeks. Have we been playing computer games since Monday? Children have been playing on the lawn for 1 hour. All these examples show that with subjects he, she, it, and any singular noun, helping verb has been used in this tense. But if the subject is I, we, you, they, or a plural noun, then the auxiliary verb have been used. In a sentence, if the amount of time is to be specified, which means to give a specific time that has started and finished, such as 2 hours, 3 weeks, 10 years, then for is used before the object. In a sentence, if time starts from the past and goes until now, such as morning, Monday, 2008, then since is used before the object. Negative of present perfect continuous tense. To make this tense negative, not is written after has or have and before been. In the simplest words, not is added between has and been or have and been. I have not been climbing up this mountain for over 2 hours. He has not been singing for 1 hour. Interrogative of present perfect continuous tense. For interrogative of this tense, has or have is written before the subject and a question mark is inserted at the end of the sentence. Has it been raining in Shujabad since 5 o'clock? Have you been teaching this class for half an hour? Practice some more sentences of this tense yourself. Clear the concept of since and for. Carefully note that which subjects are used with has been and which is used with have been. Subscribe to my channel and like the video to encourage me. Bye, till the next new video.